To me, the meaning of silent dancer is kind of this push and pull, this rhythmic composition that you always have with yourself, like a dance partner in life. It's sight unseen and unheard, and it's like an inner battle and romance in a way.
So we're at the final stages of the bike right now. We just got all the Bcomp back from paint. Art from Dr. Wu. And then all of our sterling pieces from GoodArt. This is kind of like really our last stage and really gonna make up the whole look of the bike. Clap. The bike's been in the air for, a good period of the time while we were doing suspension and recoating the wheels and polishing them. I think really getting the wheels and getting the bike off the air and on the ground is going to be probably the most exciting part right now.
Any opportunity to be given a voice on the forefront of any cultural community building is extremely valuable, and at the same time like a big honor. Man, I love working with the other artists involved. Seeing everybody's individual part of the project was really cool and inspiring and kind of a great bounce back creatively. But today when I came in, actually seeing the whole thing as one polished, cohesive voice was amazing, and I never doubted it for a second, but seeing it again was definitely a reassurance, like, oh, this is even better than I thought.
LiveWire So here it is. This is Silent Dancer, LiveWire ONE for Dr. Wu. Thank you everyone that was a part of this, made this happen.
Silence to me is such an important tool. Void and vacant as it sounds, it's actually a gate that opens that lets everything important come through, and all the other noise is muffled away.